Ahead of the 2024 national elections, Media Monitoring Africa's data has found that the African National Congress has dominated newsrooms coverage with just over 50%, followed by the official opposition with 19%. This was followed by the EFF, IFP and Herman Mashaba's Action SA. The spike in coverage for each political party came over the period of their respective manifesto launches, with the EFF having a significant increase when voicing their support for former President Jacob Zuma and his newly formed party Umkhonto weSizwe. Some of the key pointers from the ANC's manifesto included job creation, reindustrialization, energy, alongside access to healthcare and education. The DA also focused on job creation, ending challenges in the water and electricity sectors, fighting crime and alleged corruption. Meanwhile, load shedding, working with China, job creation and creating an inclusive African continent was also on the agenda for the economic freedom fighters. Overall news coverage for parties included internal and external party politics with just over 25%. This was followed by election logistics, which heavily involved the IEC. Party campaigning, manifesto policies and coalitions were the key topics covered by news organizations across South Africa ahead of the May 29 polls. For more information on what we do, visit MediaMonitoringAfrica.org.